ieder zeerus toe wie de ihe onze te winnen nog wie tjolker en bra win agus tabuiachas ag dul de gach éine caurig in éon slí agus son Gordon the moon came around, go buiachas atá mé de gach éine caurig in éon slí. But while the buiachas a go á libse lucht éiscipte bhí co-huntach an sin with Director Fleadh. I would like to thank you all who made this night possible, all who contributed in any way, and you, the audience down there, were wonderful as well with the attention you paid. Now, several people played a big part in making this a success and representing our province tonight here. And I would like to thank every one of the artists and all those who helped behind the scenes in any way. Focal buiachas coile the Faratiano Master Downey, who again Jabuta. And as God knows, I would have to say especially the producer of the show tonight that there's a great board of us Tilcha and Kishin, Siobhan Nicola. Castlemark and Shaw when our Mayakas acquired in New Orleans. Now, as Moss mentioned already, Siobhan is after doing as much in this one day as any of us could hope to do in about a month. How she did it, I don't know. She did a wonderful job this morning with Scully Action, that wonderful concert that was here. And then to assemble all this group of people, wonderful, talented people from all over the province for this concert here tonight. So, Tommy Anna Buiachar Fleadh, the Siobhan, as the maid of identity and her dedication to our traditions, music, song and dance, at local level, county, provincial, or Ireland level, and at international level as well. So, Siobhan, Tommy, fear for you afforded. So, all the sort of, a long and a short,